In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Translate to Gmail. Gmail already includes a translation feature, so you do not need to install anything extra or visit another website for this. Everything happens right inside your inbox, which keeps things quick and avoids copying sensitive emails into other tools. First, open Gmail on your computer. Use a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and go to the Gmail page, then sign in if you are not already. Once Gmail loads, you should see your inbox with a list of emails in the center, folders such as Inbox and Sent on the left, and the search bar at the top. If you use more than one account, check the profile picture in the top right to make sure you are in the correct mailbox. Next, open the email you want to translate. Click directly on the subject line of that message. The email opens in full view, with the sender at the top and the body of the message below. If Gmail already detects a different language, you may see a small translate bar appear near the top of the message, offering to translate it for you automatically. Even if that bar does not appear, you can always access translation from the menu on the message itself. Now click the three dots More button on the email. Look for these three small vertical dots on the right side of the email header, on the same line as the reply button. This menu belongs to the email content, not the browser menu, so avoid the dots in the top right corner of the browser window. When you click the correct three dots, a drop-down list appears with several options, such as reply, forward, filter messages like these, and more. From that drop-down, select Translate Message. When you click it, Gmail opens a translation bar near the top of the email body. You will see the original language on one side and the target language on the other, with a small drop-down next to the language name. At this point, Gmail may guess a language for you, often based on your account settings or past choices. Next, choose your preferred language. Click the language drop-down in that translation bar and scroll through the list, or start typing the language name like Spanish or French to jump straight to it. Click the language you want, and the bar will update to show that as the target. A useful detail here is that Gmail usually remembers the language you last selected, so future translations often default to that choice. Finally, the email will be translated. Once you pick the language, the text of the email body changes almost immediately into your chosen language, while the translation bar stays visible at the top. You can switch back to the original text using the link in that bar and toggle between original and translated as often as you like without reloading the page. You have now used the built-in Google Translate feature inside Gmail to read an email in your preferred language, so if this helped you follow messages more easily, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more clear Gmail tips.